Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set who can see the status of my TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your profile, open your TikTok account, and after this, in here you can click on the profile icon at the bottom. And now you can click on the three lines icon at the top. And after this, in here you just click on the setting and privacy. And then in here you just click on the privacy. And after this, in here at the bottom you can click on the story. Story, click on it. And then in here you can set these people who can see your status. You can click on everyone or followers that you follow back or only me, but in here I want to try to add for everyone, so you just click on it and click this icon and finish. So that how to set who can see the status of your TikTok. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.